Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check your ACER Chromebook 315 specifications. So first of all, let's open the control center and go to settings by clicking this gear icon. Next, navigate to About Chrome OS on the sidebar, and after that, navigate to Diagnostics and open the Diagnostics menu. In this menu, you can check your device's battery, the battery state. You can check your device's CPU in its current state, and also memory and the amount of available memory on your computer. By memory, I of course mean RAM memory. Also in system preferences, you can go to storage management to get to know how much storage you have. And if you want detailed info about your device, you have to open Google Chrome and search for Chrome:/system. Press enter, then wait for a while for the info to appear on your screen, and well, here you can find anything related to your PC and system, but it's kind of user-unfriendly menu. So if you need something from here, you can definitely find if you need any specifications, you can definitely find them here, but there's just a lot to even start to explain things. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.